Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It is Monday, January 25th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. It was a quiet day, and really that's a situation you're probably going to see for a while. There's not a whole lot of news out there, and there really shouldn't be a whole lot of news coming forward for the next month or two. You're probably saying, all right, people are going to take a little bit of breather from the bearish side of things now that production can't change, and you come in here and maybe see some buying coming from managed money. But overall, these markets aren't moving a whole lot. You did see managed money come in here and buy quite a bit of beans off the last report, but overall beans didn't run as much as you would expect with the buying there, so it means farmers must be meeting with it with a little bit of selling pressure there on the day. Corn was steady, beans up 3 to 4, wheat market up anywhere from 2 to 7 cents, so maybe a little bit of money coming in there, buying there isn't a whole lot of news to change it all that much. Meat markets really struggled majority of the day, traded both sides of things, faded into the close with live cattle just over $1 lower, feeder cattle split with front month up about 70 cents, deferreds anywhere from down 50 to up 50. You're really anxiously awaiting to see how trade comes in this week, as futures are really trading below what the cash has been, to see if really cash comes down to meet futures or if futures are going to have to come up. Usually you have to wait to mid or later in the week to really get that news. Hog markets were really mixed there, a little bit higher on the day. Outside markets lower, with the Dow actually trading down about 100 points. That could have been a little bit of the influence on the meat markets there. The crude market down just over $1, and then the dollar a little bit weaker there too. Not a whole lot of news out there. It's been really quiet, light trade. Haven't seen a whole lot of action there. And coming forward, what you're going to be looking at is maybe a little bit of South American weather. Overall, it seems like everything's fine. They are into the late July to mid-August timeframes, depending where you are. And so it is a crucial point for their beans, but it seems like everything's looking okay on the forecast. Rain's coming into a lot of areas, above average precip in those extended models for a lot of the corn belt to give it some nice moisture there. So overall, a whole lot of news out there that's really not going to get you anywhere. You're going to start pricing for insurance coming up pretty soon there too. Usually that does give a little bit of support to these markets. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.